Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. I have finally sat down and had the time to make my latest dewdrop release. This is going to be for Halloween 2025. I totally missed the boat on doing some summer colors, and I have seen so many crafters already crafting for Pasteloween, which is all over the stores right now. I thought I would make some colors that combine both the traditional Halloween as well as the Pasteloween. We have this black, although it's not a solid black, it's more of the iridescent type black. I love how this one turned out. It has that sparkle to it. These are all glittered, so there will be glitter a little bit left over in the baggies when you receive your order. We have the orange, which is also glittered, and this is the great for decorating the pumpkins. So cute. For the Pasteloween, we have all the ghosties with the pink outlines. I thought the black and the pink go so well together. We also have the frog, the kind of cauldron green, and this one is such a nice color. The glitter really shows up on this one. This is the newest release. It is going to be listed under Halloween 2025, and I think I have it listed under the Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun. It is currently available in my Etsy shop, but if you'd like to save me some money on fees, please feel free to direct message me to make payment that way instead of going through Etsy. I appreciate it so very much. You do receive 125 of green, 25 of pink, 25 of black, and 25 of orange. They do all have some sparkle, so there will be some sparkle in the baggies, some little bit of residue. $5 shipped, and it is US only. Sorry, international friends, this costs so much money to ship internationally. I do have traditional Halloween 2024 still listed in my Etsy shop. That is the traditional no glitter black, green, orange, and purple colors, and you can also direct message me if you prefer this one or if you would like the new Halloween 2025 and the old Halloween 2024. I am slowly getting back into YouTube. I have been busy with my little puppy Walter. If you don't know, I rescued a little puppy. I think I'm about a month and a half with him, and he is way more time consuming than I thought he was going to be, and I love every single second of it. But I've been in my craft room and trying to get back into my routine of posting and visiting and making new releases of dewdrops. I do know that I also have to pick a winner for those who have tagged me before my little break from YouTube. I will be doing that shortly. That is my next event to film. I would like to thank you guys so much for your support. If you are looking for any other specific colors, please feel free to get a hold of me. I have many colors that I have never even released yet. Also, I did do a poll a couple months back, and a lot of you had requested the vintage type colors. I also do have, I believe it's October 2024. Let me verify that. Okay, yeah, so I'm sorry. It's actually the October 2023 colors. They are the vintage colors. You can check out the colors over on my Etsy shop. Feel free to direct message me if you'd like to order that vintage brown tones. I would like to thank you guys so much for all of your support in my small dewdrop business. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.